Hi, Mark here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly one more report on repair codes. And so this one is just going to give you the grand totals for each repair code. So if we go over here to reports, more reports, and choose work orders, report type work orders, scroll down here near the bottom and there's one called work order total costs by repair code. I'm going to choose that one. I'm not going to put any date range in there, but we could restrict it to a specific date range or a specific repair code. So I'm going to go ahead and click preview. And so now we can see our grand total for all of the repair codes entered into the system and what we're spending on any of these categories. And so that's that report. And I'll link to what repair codes are and how you can edit them in a previous video down below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.